Hey guys, David, HD Trucks and Equip right here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. It's an absolutely gorgeous day today, and it's a perfect day to show you an absolutely gorgeous truck. Holy mackerel, guys, unless you go see Mr. Ford, you're not going to get anything any better than this. This is a 2020. This is an F650 Super Duty. It's running the Triton V10, so you don't have any Powerstroke issues, you don't have DEF issues. Those days are over. Don't put up with it, you don't need to. But the best thing about this truck, 2020 model year, it has 11,000 miles on it. That's it, 11,000 miles. Holy mackerel. Unless you go see the boys at Ford Motor Company and bring a whole lot bigger check, you don't get any better than this. And this has the Xtreme EZ12 Hydratail equipment hauler on it. So I'm going to show you exactly what that is for those of you that haven't had a chance to see one before. These things are just awesome. To start with, there you go. 12,000 pound deck. That truck will carry 12,000 pounds. We weighed one of the other ones that weighs empty about 14.5. Now the dovetail on this will actually lift and hold 8,000 pounds. So they're so cool. You just drive your unit up there, whatever it is, car, truck, forklift, reach forklift, whatever, you drive it up there. I usually leave the back wheels on the little dovetail back here, and very, very simple to operate. If you have a disabled unit, there's a 15,000 pound PTO driven winch right there. I'm sorry, 10,000 pound PTO driven winch right there, and you got a whole 3 levers. Holy mackerel, you got to be brain dead to not be able to use this thing. So you put your vehicle on it. Like I say, I generally leave my back wheels on the rear of it. And that is just basically so that when I raise this up, I don't have the tail of the vehicle sticking out back and I don't hit it back there. You just tuck the little flip ramp back underneath there. You hear it latch. You set that back down. You'll hear where that's gonna hit. Right there, that's it. All there is to it. Put your chains on your load and take off. Man, I tell you what, guys, so much easier than running a rollback, and look at how much less room you need. The only thing you're extending on this is that 4-foot little tail right there. You don't have to slide that whole bed all the way back there. It takes forever and it just needs so much room, it's ridiculous. And of course, 11,000 miles. I don't have to show you a lot on this truck. Those are alloy wheels all the way around. I believe they're Alcolas. It's got the strobe lights. It's got toolboxes, both sides. Oh, here's a drop hitch. The reason for the drop hitch is because if you need to haul more than one unit, you just go right back here and you put that drop hitch in right there. There's your hookup for the trailer lights. Now you put a trailer behind there. You can take that winch cable and run it back here, hook it up to the other vehicle, pull it up on the trailer if you have to. Such a nice piece. As I say, strobe lights all over the place. Up on top, you got LED work lights. You've got a light bar. You got wiggle waggle. That'll switch over to a traffic control unit so that you can show them which way you want them to go. Absolutely gorgeous, beautiful, beautiful truck. I'm going to call this pretty much new condition. 11,000 miles. Holy cow. Hey, there's your locks and windows right there. Beautiful, beautiful truck. Absolutely gorgeous. I just love them. Ford changed the body style a few years ago. That is a good looking truck. As I say, you got the strobe lights on it. You got your light bar on top up there, all that kind of good stuff. Alcoa wheels. Electric over hydraulic driver's side seat. You got armrests on both the seats. Again, you got your power windows and door locks right there. You got your fuel tank on the driver's side. I like that. That's convenient. Tilt wheels here. Cruise control is right there. Look at this condition. Of course, 11,000 miles. This truck is virtually brand new. This thing is amazing. Oh, by the way, this one has the optional remote control on it as well, so you can run your controls right here off of this if you're outside there. Just kind of remember to turn the battery off, otherwise you're going to run it out when you aren't using it. Hey, AM/FM sound system. I'm going to just turn that down. CD player, MP3 player. You got your little sync and your little USB port right there. Shuffle does about everything you need it to do. Seek, scan. I see a telephone right there for it. And of course, you got your heating and air conditioning controls right here. No real surprises there. This is the control for the strobe lights, the light bar, the floodlights. It even has additional floodlights front and rear that's mounted right to the light bar, so you can have those on if you want. There's your PTO control down there, very simple. And dashboard, obviously no issues with that. You wouldn't expect it to be. And there you go right there, 11,129 miles. Holy mackerel. Where do you find them, guys? You don't. There aren't any. If you're looking for something like this, you know where you're going to find it, right here at HD Trucks and Equip. We got it. 2020. Got the good old V10, very proven motor underneath the hood. You got no DEF, no diesel problems, no Powerstroke issues. Pretty truck, a lot of detail, 12,000 pound load capacity, strobe lights, chain, it's got everything. You've got the winch on it, a little drop of hitch. If you want to haul another trailer, you can. Wow, such a beautiful truck. If you have any questions on this truck, or if you just want to go ahead and buy it, you just give me a call. I'm right here in Henderson, Tennessee at HD Trucks and Equip. That's a 2020 model with 11,000 miles. And as always, I appreciate you looking.